Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot find any games that you like on a Google Play Store in Lenovo Tab P11. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store. Here, try to find games like Call of Duty. As you can see, it's not visible right here. And to fix this issue, we'll need to go back. Then click on your profile picture, open the settings, enter family. Right here, locate the parental controls. Now either disable parental controls entirely or click on apps and games, enter the PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back, Call of Duty should be visible right here on the top. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.